Okay, let's see. I think we're ready to go. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another coding 2b2t.online while live episode. Now, we've got a ton of things planned for you. I'm going to go ahead and pull up my live chat on the phone really quickly. On my phone, that is. There we go. There's my live chat. Great, great, great. Let's see. Hello, King of Unidad. How's it going? Welcome to the stream. I've done a ton of changes in between episodes because I've been working on all sorts of stuff. So you'll see here, well, I'll go through a couple of the changes. First of all, I've got some admin tools now where I can delete and edit posts. So I should be able to edit the valid of wheat. There it is, all that stuff. We can edit everything. And of course, confirm that we are in fact not a robot. So we can update things as admins, we can delete things as admins, and all of that good stuff. I've now made it so that you don't see like the full pictures of everything. While you're there, you have to click it. If I were to click on the image, I can now take a look at its actual page. I don't believe we had this last time, so this is now a thing. We're going to be redesigning this today, and we're also going to be making sure that when we do comment on these, those comments are displayed. Let's see. What this will do right now, it is saved to the back end. If I were to find my Wrath Outpost again, let's see, I spelled it wrong. It'll say comments, there's now one. Even though there's none showing, we will get that to display one pretty soon. I feel like that's probably about it. I'm sure there's a bunch more changes that I just haven't talked about, but not too shabby so far. And we'll be doing a little bit more of a redesign on these later today. So right now the goal is to be able to have chords displayed on, or to have comments displayed on the page, and to design those comments and possibly get the owner of that comment to be able to edit their comment and also delete it, along with, of course, the admins to have those rights as well. So let's just get right started. I'm going to go ahead and use the Valley of Wheat as my example. So I'm trying to, I got to see how I'm passing in chords. We're going to put them underneath this center tag, though. And so I'll go hashtag each. I want to say we passed them in as comments, but we'll take a look in just a second to confirm that or not. So inside of my controller for chords, we'll take a look for the get page, app.get, find comments, comment.find. Great, there it is. And we can actually find it by the, you can find it by the ID. Let me see how the other comments have been saved. If I go to my RoboMongo here, those are chords. Let's take a look at comments. So this is the last one, chord title. All right, we can't do it by chord title. So I'm sure that it's actually probably found a bunch of comments already, so that's good. Yeah, comment length too. So we should be able to just pass them in as, let's see, chords, current user, and I guess we need the comments too, right? What am I passing those as? Am I even passing them in? Find chords, then chords, else. So we're finding the comments. We should be finding the comments. Let's see, I did this on, let's take a look at this application that I've used, just because I think I used the same method here. Get the page, report find. No, we're not looking for the comments there yet. I want to say that I should be able to just, we'll just try it. No, because I haven't passed it in yet. All right, you know what? We're going to try it out right now anyways and see if it works. So let's go to our chord page, handlebars, and just to comment and see if we refresh if anything happens. I need to, do I need, oh no, all right, the server's there. And then let's see, we put in the word, I need to get into a non-admin account. Of course, we'll just log in, that works. Okay, I'm not finding the text that says, hey, or comment, so let's take a look. Okay, I'm gonna go back into my controller here. Here's a report page. And then how was I rendering that? Each list.comments. Okay, because it's already attached to the object. So that should do it. We should get comment. Let's see here. /if/each. This is pending. This is the create new comment part. You must be logged in to comment. Okay, let's log out real quick and see if we can find it then. Comment. Okay, let's this.comments. Let's go into our controller and do a console.log chords.comments. See what we get. Refresh the page, take a look. Put it in this one too. See if I refresh, what happens. Undefined. Okay, so we're not finding the comments then. So let me go take a look at my model for chords. You should see comments there. So if I feel like if it finds it, we should just be able to do chords.comments and it should get it. That's also going to be undefined. Yeah, comments is not defined. Let's see, I didn't know Hermetic knew how to code. Puffy clouds. Yeah, I kind of do, here and there. Let's see. But yeah, I mean, I built the other 2b2t stuff as well. Let's go back here. Let's log in again. That works for me. Okay, we're just trying to get it to show up. Chord page. So we're finding comments. We're populating it as a user, or to the user. That's fine. Comment.find chord title. Yeah, so it's looking for those comments that have the chord title. Then it's looking for the find chords. And I think I need to pass in one more thing there. I think that's my issue. Find chords. Should I go find comments? It's not going to like that. I don't think anyway. That seemed to be okay for some reason. Chords, not find one. Chords, not find chords. Chords. Yeah, we're taking in chords there. Hmm. You know, we can find it by the chord ID as well. We can do rec.params.id and take a look at that. Refresh our page, see what's there. Nothing. All right. Yep, undefined. That's this one. That's giving us undefined. I'm going to go back into here, back into this one. Is this what it is? Did I like screw it up completely? No, it should be in here. Let's look. I gotta find my show report page. I wonder if it's in 2b2t.reviews. I could find a better example. Where did I save that? 2b.online, 2b2t.review. Let's take a look at this one. Go to our controllers here. Go to our reviews. Get, find comments. Here it is. Aha. Here's our issue. Right here. Find comments. Go back to here. And then we pass it in as values, which is find. Aha. We can go now. Comments. Chords. And we'll actually pass these in as values and then values. And I can now go chords, values, comments, values, current user, user. So like that, should be fine. Okay, let's refresh. Let's see. Cast object failed for value at chord ID for model comment. So let's take a look at one of our models. Oh, comment. So it should have something called chord ID, and it does. And it's the object that it's associated with. So in that case, it's the value of wheat, which means that that should be the same as this. So object ID is 014. At the end there, let's take a look at that last comment. Should be, or you know, I think it's one of these. That's 014. 014. Yep, there it is. Chord ID 014. So that should find it. Okay. Fail at path ID for model comment. Let's see. Populated with user. find chords, chords.find one, whichever the title is. Yep, that's what we want. Then we're doing a find comments, which is comment.find. And we'll just go object, no, okay, I see. We need to do find one. And we'll go chord, title, rect.params.title. There they are. All right, we've got comments now. But something else is not loading, and that's like a background image, I want to say. Let's go back here. Let's see. We're getting some weird stuff. So those comments are coming through. Other weird things are happening. Hello, Minecraft 101. So hold on. Let's just do inside of our view. Oh, this is too easy. Review. So let's go inside of our views again. Chords, chord page, where it says comment. Let's do this dot, and then what did I call it? Content, probably. This got content. All right, let's try that. This dot content. We'll refresh, and we should get the content there. This dot comment dot content. Let's just try comment dot content. Okay, we're getting two of them. And how many are there? There should be two of them. There is two of them. I go to this one, we still get two of them. So it's finding two of them no matter what. Even though this one has one, hello, hello, displayed. So it's getting it there. Okay, we're going to go ahead really quickly and remove all the documents and the comments. That should be empty now. Okay, we're going to go back home. We're going to hit one of these. It still says comments too. Why would it still say comments too? Didn't we just get rid of all of them? There should be no more comments. Oh. I think I know what I'm doing. That's weird. We're passing in the same thing there, or for the same thing for both of them, because we're just getting values from it. Let me take a look again at what 2b2t review did. Oh man, now we're going slow. There we go. Reviews. No, we'll take a look at the view of it actually, because I want to make sure it should just be each comments. Oh, we want reviews show. Each comments. Yeah, that's how it should be. Maybe that was it right there that was causing us grief. Each comments. Something isn't working right, or the way that we want it to anyway. Let me go back to the reviews controller and see what's going on there. Let's see, so just take a look at these. Populate user. Yep, that's what we're doing. Promise all, find reviews, find comments. Yep, find chords, find comments. That looks good. Review values 0, review values 1. Aha! Okay, that should be better, because I was like, aren't we passing the same thing in for each view? Okay, now we're getting some weird stuff. It still says we've got 2 comments there. Let me take a look at the chords. Comments. 2 comments. So it doesn't look like these were deleted from it, which is a little weird to me. Oh, looks like I deleted that whole thing. Alright, Rip Valley of Wheat. Let's try it with Melon Highway. Alright, so we've got all these different things saying back to home. Because why? Why would it be doing that? Find comments here. The chords is should be chords 0, and then comments should be chords 1. Okay, let's take a look now. Nothing should happen, and I think if I log out, nothing should happen still. Let's see. Hey Herm, how's it going? Rush Help. Thanks for joining the stream today. Let's see. Let's log out. Melon Highway. Comments 0. Click the page. All right, we're entering it. We're loading. Unhandled rejection. Reference chord is not defined. There it is. Chords. Okay, now we've got it there. I've got all these things. So we're getting a couple of different documents that we shouldn't be getting, and it's replicating the page several times, which is not ideal. So let's go ahead and right when we go here, let's do console.log values, and then let's log in. Cancer Chan. Oh, hey Cancer Chan, how are you? Okay, so now when I click one and we go to it, we should get something in the console. All right, we're getting Melon Highway. Twice. We're getting Melon Highway twice. Still getting Melon Highway twice. Oh no, the next one is null. Is that there null too again on the top one? All right, so it's not able to find it by the chord title here. So what if it could find it by the ID? And then we could do rec. Then we could do Sorry, that was cheesy. How's your day? I'm doing pretty good. Hi, Cancer Chan. Sorry, trying to figure out what the hell is going on here because it's very weird. I'm not quite sure why this isn't working the way I'd like it to. I know that I'm passing in a title instead of an ID on the top, and so that's why we're trying to find it by the title instead of the ID. So let's go back to find one. It should be chord title equals ret.params.title, and that should be good. It's able to find the chords that way. It should be able to find the comments that way as well. Then we're trying to do a promise where we find all of them. We get the values from both. Let's see if I'm able to get the comments off of that this time. Nope, still null. Values 1. Just want to make sure that that is in fact what's giving us our grief. Yeah, it's saying null. That's weird. Take a look at this one. It says null twice though. And that's what's weird about this whole thing, is that it's trying to return two values at the same time, even though we should be getting... Oh, you know what? Hold on. Let's create a comment here and see what happens. Oh no. That is not good. Oh, you gotta fill out the capture. This is so screwed up right now, I don't even know what to do. Save that. Alright, we're getting that now. So what is that? This is so bizarre. I want to say that's what we just created. Melon Highway now has one comment, as it should. This is so screwed up. Oh, we started 0. It is starting at 0. The first one is the find chords. And so we're trying to find these comments here, which is the second thing in the array, so that's why it's the 1 there. The 0, we're finding the chords totally fine. That's why it's displaying the right chords there. But weird things are happening. So let me back up just a little bit. We're going to take off a couple of things here. I can keep that in for now. Let's get rid of these like so. We still, all right, unexpected token, find chords. Oh, we need this. There we go. All right, this should look fine now. Should go back to its normal kind of state where there's nothing wrong with it. Let's actually do this one because there's no comments yet. No, this is still fucked up. What if I go to my thing over here and get rid of this shit? Does that make it better? No, it's very, very sick. Oh, jeez. What? How have I screwed this up this bad? Okay, that's better. That's the way it should look. That's the way it should look. Good Lord. Okay. All right. Instead of this promise all thing, we're going to do, once we get these, then we're going to find the core, or then we're going to find the comments. So I'm going to go comment. Is that what we imported it as? Comment. Okay, comment. Dot. Find one. Chord. Title. rec.params.title. And then we're going to get our comments from that. And then we'll render our page. And everything will go just fine. Oh, it did. Oh, but I need to do comments. Comments. All right, everything is still okay. Now I'll go back here to my chord page, and we'll go each comments / each. We're going to write the word comment. And we get nothing. An unrelated note, is your world famous spawn base still active? It's like fairly active. It's not like not active at all, I guess. I thought there was one comment on the Melon Highway thing. Okay, there should be. So what if I just did this dot comments? Is that what we call it in the model? Melon Highway here. Let's hit play again. Yeah, comments. This dot comments 0. Why not? Let's see what that does. Yeah, no, it does not like that right there. This dot comments. Dot content. No, this dot comments. So we get this array from there. What if I can do dot chord ID? Do I get anything from that? Expecting ID got invalid. Dot null is probably going to give us the same thing. Aha. Let's see. Yeah, looking for ID got null. Yeah, that's the way it should be, I suppose. this dot comments should at least return a couple, shouldn't it? Because we have an array with 1. Well, at least it's not screwing everything up. So let's go back to our chords.js. And we don't want to find 1. We want to just find them all. So we can just do .find. Chord title here is blank. In our comments, the chord title is also blank. Aha! I think I found the issue as to why it's not showing any comments. Let's take a look at our comment folder. So we need to be setting everything from the rec body, chord ID, yeah. Yeah, sets the chord ID, and we should be pulling everything off of the rec.body. So I should be getting its chord title. Oh, here it is. Should be getting its chord title from the actual chord form, or the actual comment form, rather. Chord title is this dot title. And so if I were to inspect, do you have a GitHub? Yes, I do have a GitHub, and I do recommend using GitHub. Absolutely use GitHub. Okay, form title. Should be there should be a hidden input. Aha. Value Melon Highway, because it's Melon Highway. So name chord title. So it is getting the title from there. So that's called chord title. In my model, it's called, my model, it's called chord title. Chord title, and name is chord title there. And we're getting it. Should be getting. That should be working. Yo, hey Kirby, how are you? Let's see. This is weird. I'm just kind of dumbfounded right now about why this wouldn't work. I don't know why I did it that way there either, because this is a very weird way of doing it. Doing this promise all there. Good, what is this coding for? It's for 2b2t.online. So the new 2b2t.online that I'm making is, well, we're almost done with like the minimum viable product. I mean, we've actually already got the minimum viable product, which is being able to submit chords and have admins approve chords. But I'm trying to get it so that people can add comments on those chords and stuff. I'm trying to make 2b2t.online more of a social kind of networky kind of a thing for 2b2t. All right, we have one comment here. Let's try to create a new one. This, I'm not a robot. Save. comment. So it did get it. All right. Hold on. Record page. This dot content. Another. Let's try that. I think I've got it. I think it's working. Okay, we've got it. It is working. I don't know what I was doing. All right, good game. We got it working. I don't know why it took us that long, but I'm glad we did it. This, another. Great. All right, that's all I needed. I'm going to go ahead and delete those comments now, because now we don't need these. Delete these documents inside of our cord. I'm going to go find these, take these comments, and delete this document. I accidentally deleted the whole Melon Highway, but that's okay. Rip Melon Highway. Okay. Finally. Okay, so now if I comment on Jack the Ripper's base, say, hey, wow, and I'm not a robot, it should be good, hey, wow. Perfect. I'm so happy. Let's go ahead and make this look cool. Comment, display. All right, here's the fun part where things actually like happen. Gosh, that took me so long. All right, we're gonna go to our partials and we're gonna call it comment display. I'm gonna make a new folder in here called comments, and in here I'll have my comment display dot handlebars. There we go. And now inside the this one we're gonna go slash comments slash, I think I can just go like that, comment slash comment display. And now let's write the word what here. We should get like what, one what, there we go. All right, we got it, we're in. So now I can go, gosh dang it, I can go this dot title, and I can go this dot content, and we'll just do temporary break tag over here, and we'll get the title, and we'll get the thing. Excellent. So now what we can do is I can wrap these in a div, give it a class of comment, do a slash div here. I can go to, let's go back to our cord page, and we can put this in a div class equal quote comment folder like so, and do slash div there, tab these in, tab this one in, go like this, there we go. Now I can go to my styles, which should be in public. And we don't want the mobile, there we go, okay. We can do dot comment holder. We'll do display flex, justify content. We'll do flex start. Actually, can we do flex reverse? Is that a thing? Flex start. Flex direction is the way you do it. Flex direction, column reverse, because we want the newest to go first. Hey Herm, I guess I'm here now. How you doing? Doing good, Black. How are you? We're going to do align items, center, very good. Now we do dot comment. We're going to do display flex, Flex direction will be a column. Justify content will be at flex start. Background color will be green just for now. The color of the text will be white for now. And we'll see how that looks real quick. Hey, wow, look at that. All right, there's a comment. Obviously, we're not done yet. Padding, we're going to do 2 rem just everywhere. We're going to have 2 rem for each comment. There's that. We're going to do a border radius of, let's do 4px. We're going to do a box shadow of, let's see, I'm going to do 0, 4px, 6px, RGBA, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.3. Get that in there. Boom, that's done. Give our comment holder a margin top of 3 rem. There's that. We're going to go into our thing over here. We're going to write comments, give it like an H3 or an H2. That should be good. /H2. And we'll give this a class of whiteout because that should make it white. So now we've got comments. All right. Now we'll do right back in here. This will be an H2 /H2. This will be a paragraph /P. Refresh that. There's that. We're going to go H2 just to see if we can. This dot, how did I call it? What are they called? Oh, let's hit play again. This dot username. There's that. And see. All right, there's the username, there's the title, there's the paragraph. Now I'm going to stylize it just a little bit more. So we're going to make sure that each comment has a width of, and let's say it's 30 rem. That might be not big enough. Yeah, we're going to go with like 60 rem. There we go. That's not bad for one comment, at least for now. Yeah, not too bad. Then we're going to, let me just add one more. Just be like, this space is griefed now. I wouldn't go if I were you. Not a robot. This should appear on top of the other one. There we go. Perfect. Add some margin bottom. 3 rem should be just fine. Yep. Good. We're going to do back over here. Oh, no, sorry, back into this one. We're going to make that. I want this to be in the same thing. So I'd like it to be like there's a title, and then on the end there's like the username. So here's how I'll do that. We're going to make the comment a position of relative. Perfect. Now I'm going to do, we'll go above it. We'll go P class equal quote, and we'll call it author. And then we'll do by, and then we'll have an anchor tag, href, and we'll just do /profiles/ this dot username. And then we're going to go this dot username. Then we're going to go /a/p. And then we're going to go author, position, absolute, top, one rem, right, one rem. By Joe. There we go. That's pretty much how I'd like that to be. Good, good, good. We're going to make the color of that white, though. Oh. Dot author a color white. There. And we will give that text decoration underline because we're going to have profiles, right? There we go. That's good. Eventually we'll have profiles anyway, is what I should say. All right, we're going to make these align to the top. So let's go ahead and do that. H2 class equal quote comment title class for this one will be comment or comment content. Great. So let's go ahead and do dot comment title. I'm going to give a margin top of 0. Let's see what happens there so far, actually, just to see if that's kind of, yeah, that's much better. I would go if I were you, but I do, and if I wanted to, you don't even need that. It sucks. We don't need a title if you don't want to. The title is optional. You can just have that. It sucks by Joe. That's not too bad. Now obviously you could write something that's much bigger. And then I am going to do one more thing just before I'm done with this, and that's going to be a button that says reply. Because we want to be able to reply eventually. That stretches all the way out. Class equal quote reply button. Dot reply button width. We'll do 70 px. Max width of 70 px. Yeah, that's pretty much what you'd want. And of course, we'll make the background transparent. There. That's not bad. Looking reply button. This is all temporary design. This is like minimum stuff that I can get in. We're going to be changing the way these chord pages look completely. We can even do that like now if I wanted to. Yeah, so we get the newest one first, like you should. Pretty easy to get that done. We'll be able to see the profile page. And what I wanted to do was, what did I just want to do? Okay, so let me walk you through what the design of this is going to be. Let's look for like paint online. Why not? UI drawing painter. Yeah, this is probably fine. Okay, so on let's get this instead. On this side, we're gonna have like the image of it. Right, so this is going to be just the image. This is going to be the chords. So chords here. So img image chords, and then we'll have comments on this side like this. I think this is probably a good way to do it. That's the best idea that I could come up with so far. I'm pretty happy with the incursion. In terms of if I'm happy, sad, it's over. I feel like there's been like good like things that came out of it, right? And I wouldn't like to. Oops. I hope that the relationships that were made because of the incursion don't go away because it's over. So that's kind of my whole take on that. I think my stream. Oh, hey, negative entropy. So the stream may end just because I'm approaching an hour, and I'm not sure if I'm able to go over an hour with my free streaming software for Mac. But I am going to go over some of the goals that I have off camera. And that is, of course, the redesign of the chords page, the redesign of this page, because I hate how if I open one of these, it opens and moves everything down. We're gonna make that better. We may have a search bar by the next time we come in that lets you like search in real time. Let's see, I need the shekels. Yeah. And the comment pages are going to look completely different. But for right now, I can push this out. Yeah, we're going to make these comments look quite a bit better too as well. And we might have some replies on the comments working. This was a pretty frustrating episode, I must say, just because it took me a really long time to be able to pass in the comments to the right spot. But I'm really glad that you watched. Are you a half-stack developer? Because you can sit on Kirby's full wood. Wow. That was, wow. I don't know what else I can say to that, to be honest. And no, I'm pretty full stack these days. Definitely I have an emphasis on the front end. Maybe, I guess you wouldn't know that looking at this, but everything is like temporary right now. But like, I can do back end, but sometimes I have to like look at like older projects or look up all sorts of different methods and stuff in order to get my stuff to work. But yeah, if this goes past an hour, we'll keep on going. But last time I had this, like it stopped before I could do that. So I want to go to my Trello. Real quick. Board not found. It's gone. Oh, I gotta log in. Oh, I'm not logging in on video. People don't need to see my Facebook account. That would not be a good thing in any circumstance. Let's see. We're going to make this button look nice. Let's give it a border radius of 4 pixels. Why not? Yeah, that's a little bit better already. And then we can do dot reply button hover background RGBA 000.3. Give that a transition of background to 200 ms. And see what that does. Did anyone from 2b docs you? No, I haven't really. I mean, people kind of know, like my friends on 2b know, but I haven't really been like publicly like docs really. I mean, no, I totally have been. Like on the Reddit, people have posted pictures of like exes, girls that I used to date and stuff. But yeah. So those were pretty bad. All right. So I think we're going to call it for now. But thanks for watching, and I look forward to this being finished pretty soon, because we're getting there. We're definitely getting there. Anyway, thanks for watching.